Hey friends, it's Erin from LizzieandErin.com. I have got a cute little project that we're going to work on today, and here are all the supplies that we're going to use. I went ahead and made a cute little refab bow that we're going to add to our project. I used a few different, these are from Dollar Tree ribbons, and this burlappy looking one was from Christmas time when it was all on clearance. So, and some raffia. So that's how I made that bow, and that's the refab bow. Then I went ahead and took a few wooden beads and went ahead and attached them to some twine that we would use as our hanger at the end. And so that's ready to go. Then we're gonna use some E6000, some scissors, some Dollar Tree items, of course. So here is a placemat that is from the Dollar Tree. And I already, this black circle, this little outline right here was not there when I bought it, obviously. I did that for this project right here. I went ahead and did that ahead of time. So anyhow, this cute placemat from the Dollar Tree. Love the look of it. Love it, perfect, it's awesome. Okay, then I picked up this sign right here that I absolutely loved also from the Dollar Tree. It's just a big circle. And we are going to make a sign out of our placemat and our circle sign here from Dollar Tree. A lot of you are going to ask, why am I doing it on the front instead of the back? And because I had already played around on the back and did a like practice one, and that's why. And I goofed up and cut my placemat before I traced it. So I painted it white, thinking that maybe I could still salvage it. And I mean, it's not terrible, but we're gonna do it the right way. So anyhow, that is why I'm doing it on the front side, guys, okay? I attempted the back and I didn't love it. Okay, so all right, so this is gonna be what we're gonna use for our sign. First, what I did was I laid my placemat just like this, and this is gonna take a little time for you to make sure that you've got this lined up nice and straight right over your home sweet home. Once you do, go ahead, and what I did was, this doesn't fit completely on the placemat top to bottom, okay? It leaves the circle off. It doesn't cover the circle completely, is what I'm trying to say. So what I did was I went ahead and brought the bottom up to the bottom of the placemat and left the open space at the top. And that is what our bow is going to cover. It's going to cover up that spot that the placemat doesn't cover, okay? So, all right, so now we're going to cut out our placemat out of that circle that I already traced from our sign. I'm just going to carefully cut that out. And I'm going to cut on the outside of my trace line, not on the inside of it, because I would rather it hang over just a tad than be a little short around the edges. Okay, let me just make sure those are rounded edges there. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. I'm going to toss those other ones to the side there, and let's see how we did. Not too bad, not too bad. It's hanging over just a hair, but that is okay. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit off over here. All right, let's see. All right, I think I am happy with that right there. I think that's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this twine that came on our sign right here, because I'm not gonna need it. I'm gonna thread through new twine. So, okay, now the reason that we're using E6000 for this one is because you can't use because these are placemats and they're plastic, when you go to use hot glue, it will melt the plastic. So I would not use that. However, E6000 is not gonna do that, and it's going to look wonderful. So, all we're gonna do is take your E6000, and I'm just going to nicely, neatly, just go around my edges of my placemat. It's really cold out here, so my E6000 is really, really thick right now. I'm just gonna work my way around. All right. Always make sure you have Vaseline in the tip of your E6000 before you put it back on there, or the first time you open it. Okay, now where'd my hole go? Okay. So the hole is right here. So I'm going to use that as a guide, basically. And I'm going to lay down my placemat. Now make sure you don't have any E6000 on your fingers before you go smooth this off, before you go smoothing this in place. And just smooth it in place. Working those edges where you put the E6000. All right. And now at this point, it's on there pretty good. E6000 takes a little bit of time to dry, but now is a good time that if you wanted to go around your edges and trim down some of the placemat, now's a good time to do that. You could also go at it with a sanding block to smooth it down. I'm gonna wait until my E6000 is dry before I go at it with a sanding block though. Just in case it wants to move around. Okay, but I am happy with that right there, guys. I think that looks amazing. Oh, there's a little E6000 right there. Try not to get the E6000 on the front of your placemat, like I just did. Whoa, how did I just do that? Okay, I'll get that off later. Okay, anyhow. I bet it oozed out from around the side. Okay, that's fine. All right, so we already made our hanger here. My wooden beads, these big ones right here, came from a Hobby Lobby Christmas garland. And I got them when they were like 50% off, I believe. And I just took the garland apart and I just used the wooden beads. I do not know what millimeter these are to even tell you, but I do know that they're the larger ones. They're not 20 millimeter, I know that much. Okay, so now I'm going to string through my garland here. And let's tie this off. I'm gonna do 2 little knots there, just to make sure we don't lose it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so now we've got our cute little wood bead hanger there. I'm not that worried about that part. Okay, I'm kind of upset about that E6000, you guys. I hope that I can get it off. Okay, I'll figure that part out later. Okay, so our little refab bow here, all we're gonna do is hot glue this in place to cover up where our placemat did not cover at the top, just like this. And I've been dying to use that lemon ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I think that this is perfect. navy blue and yellow lemons. I think that's perfect. They go together perfectly. All right, little hot glue there. And we're just gonna hot glue this in place. Hold that and let it dry. Whoop. Fluff out our bow here a little bit. Guys, I hope you love this as much as I do. This is simple, easy, and a placemat from Dollar Tree, a round sign from Dollar Tree, some ribbon, some raffia, some wooden beads, and voila, we've got a cute home sweet home sign. I think this would look cute hanging on a door, maybe a door on the outside of your house, maybe a door on the inside of your house, maybe just hanging in the kitchen or the living room, wherever. I think that this is adorable for anywhere in the house. So there we go. I hope y'all love this, and let us know in the comments if you do. And stay tuned for lots more right here at Lizzie and Erin. And make sure you check out our blog at lizzieanderin.com. If you're interested in any of our shirts that you see us wearing in our videos here, you can get them at lizzieanderin.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.